Two-factor authentication not working on thinkorswim mobile fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the thinkorswim mobile app, you're not alone. This issue has frustrated plenty of traders. The good news: it's almost always a simple fix. Most people think their login credentials are wrong, but the real problem often lies at syncing, app updates, or phone settings. Start with your device's clock. Go into your phone settings and make sure Set Automatically is turned on for both date and time. Two-factor authentication relies on perfectly matching server time. Even a few seconds of delay can make your security code invalid. Next, check for updates in the App Store or Google Play. thinkorswim regularly releases patches to fix login bugs and authentication issues. Running the latest version ensures your connection is secure and compatible with emerged servers. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Duo, open it and tap Sync Time for codes in Settings. This step resolves over 70% of two-factor issues instantly. If you're not receiving your verification text, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and turn off your phone. Some network configurations block the delivery of automated SMS codes, especially if you're using international or corporate connections. If that doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the thinkorswim app. This clears any corrupted cache or outdated login files that may be blocking your two-factor process. When you reinstall, re-enable from scratch for a clean setup. And if you've lost your phone or can't access your authenticator, select Can't Access Two-Factor on the login screen and follow the secure verification steps to regain access safely. Once your clock, app, and authenticator are all synced, your two-factor authentication will work seamlessly again. Protecting your trading account is essential because while missing one trade can hurt, losing access due to a security glitch can hurt even more.